So hello once again, welcome to Pre-Calculus. So let's start this term with positivity and eagerness to learn more about Pre-Calculus. Okay, let us continue our discussion about sequence with the topics concerning the concepts and problems about arithmetic sequence. Okay, we have arithmetic sequence. Okay, arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which a constant d can be added to each term to get the next term. The constant d is what we call the common difference. To find the common difference, subtract any term from one that follows it. Okay, the first term of an arithmetic sequence is a. We add the common difference d to get the next term. There is a pattern, therefore there is a formula we can use to use any term that we need without listing the whole sequence. And the formula to be used in finding the nth term of an arithmetic sequence is given by this formula. We have a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, wherein a sub n is your last term in the sequence or the term you are looking for. A sub 1 is your first term, n is the position of the term is in, and letter or the d is your common difference. Okay, example. The common difference of the following is, for letter A, our sequence is 3, 8, 13, and 18. And letter B, we have 5, 3, 1, and negative 1. So what we are going to do is to subtract the first term with the next term. So we have, for the letter A sequence, we have our common difference is equal to 5. And for letter B, we have 3 minus 5 is equals to negative 2. And that will now be our final answer. Okay, find the 14th term of the arithmetic sequence. 4, 7, 10, and 13. So we are going to use the formula a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So wherein our a sub 1 is equal to 4, our n or number of terms is equal to 14, and our d is equal to 3. Then we automatically plug it in our formula. So a sub n is equals to 4 plus 14 minus 1 times 3. Then our a sub n is equal to 43. Therefore, the 14th term in the sequence is 43. Okay, now it's your time to try to find the 10th and the 25th term of the sequence given the following information. Make sure to derive the general formula first and then list down the sequence. So first you have sequence 1, 7, 13, and 19. We have the second given. We have the first term is 3 and the common difference is negative 21. And letter C is the second term is 8 and the common difference is 3. So try it on your own and apply the concept of arithmetic sequence. So you can take a pause now for this video and you can try it on your own. So we have here, I presented here the solution and the answers. So it's up for you to check if your solution and your answer is correct. So if your answers matches with these answers, keep it up. If not, try to review and practice more. Okay, another example we have. In an arithmetic sequence, the 10th term is 33 and the 22nd term is negative 3. What are the first four terms of the sequence? So, the given in the problem is a sub 10 is equal to 33 and a sub 22 is equal to negative 3. So, it seems that in this problem it is difficult to answer using the formula we used, but you can still use what formula we know. So we have still use the same formula, substitute it in the same formula wherein a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So for term 10 or for the 10th term we have 33 is equals to, let's substitute a sub 1 with a plus 9 times the common difference. Same also with the 22nd term. So we have a sub n is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So for term 22 or the 22nd term, we have negative 3 equals a plus 21 times d. So now, how do we solve this problem? So we have two equations and we have two nodes. So we can find the answer by trying to solve it using algebra. So by elimination, so we are going to subtract the first equation from we are going to subtract the second equation from the first equation. So we have 33 minus negative 3, that is positive 36. A minus a will be eliminated. 9d minus 21d will be negative 12d. Then our d is equal to negative 3. Then we can substitute it in the equation to find the value of our first term. So we have 33 is equals to a plus 9d. Then 33 is equals to a plus 9 times negative 3. 33 is equals to a minus 27. Then our first term a is equals to 60. Then we can write our sequence. So our first term will be 60. Then we have negative 3 as our common difference, so we have to subtract. We have 60 minus 3 of 57, 57 minus 3 we have 54, and 54 minus 3 we have 51. That is the first four terms of our sequence. Okay, now we have arithmetic mean. So in arithmetic sequence, arithmetic mean are the terms between two non-successive terms of the sequence. So example, a portion of an arithmetic sequence is given, fill in the blank, we have 12, we have 3 terms in between, and then the last term is 26. In this, we need to find the 3 arithmetic means between 12 and 26. So we have let a is equals to 12 and our a sub 5 is equals to 26. A sub 1 is equal to 12, a sub 5 is equals to 26. So we are going to solve using the same formula that we are using. So we have a sub 5 is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. Then substitute the values. We have 26 is equals to 12 plus 5 minus 1 multiplied by d, which is our common difference. Then we can find the value of our common difference, which is equal to 3.5. Then add the common difference to our first term, and then so on. So we have 12 plus 3.5, we have 15.5, plus 3.5, we have 19, plus 3.5, we have 22.5. So we now answered the question for the problem, which is the three arithmetic means between 12 and 26. Okay, next we have arithmetic series. So arithmetic series refers to the sum of the term of an arithmetic sequence. So in finding the sum, you can use the following equations. So first equation, we have n over 2 multiplied by the quantity 2a sub 1 or 2 multiplied by the first term plus n minus 1 times d. Or we have s sub n is equals to n over 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub n. In this, both equations, a sub 1 is our first term, n is the number of terms, d is the common difference, and s sub n is the sum of the first in n terms of your sequence. So, example, find the sum of the first 26 terms of an arithmetic series if the first term is negative 7 and d is equal to 3. So, our n is equal to 26, a sub 1 is equal to negative 7, and d is equal to 3. So, let us inspect what is given in the problem, and by inspection we know that there is a sub 1 and common difference given. So, the best formula that we could use is the first formula because it fits the given parameters. So, we have s sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then substitute the values. Then solving mathematically, our 26th term will be equal to 793. Okay, another example. Find the sum of all the odd numbers between 51 and 92 and 99 inclusive. So, we have a sub 1 is equal to 51 and a sub n is equal to 99. So, what we are going to find first is the number of terms. So, we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference. So, the a sub n is given, a sub 1 is given. So, and the common difference could be known because it is between odd numbers. And the difference between odd numbers is 2. So, we have 99 is equal to 51 plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, which is 2. So, number of terms, or n, is equal to 25. Now, we can already solve for the sum of the arithmetic series. So, we have s sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub n. So, we have s sub n is equal to 25 over 2 multiplied by 51 plus 99. Then, the sum of the series is equal to 1,875. And that will be our final answer. So that's all for the topic about arithmetic series and arithmetic sequence. So stay safe everyone. Thank you and God bless.